Good day, class. So today our discussion is about the methods in finding determinants. Okay, there are many methods. So let's start with the Leibniz formula. This one. Okay. So it is a formula used to calculate the determinant of a square matrix. Okay, by summing over all the permutation of its elements, each weighted by the sign of the permutation. Okay. So basically, it is a formula. Okay. A formula which you are required to get the permutation of its elements. However, we will be using it only for a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So the reason is that using this like this formula in a larger matrix like 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 and such, it requires permutation. Okay. Many so what will happen is that there are many permutations that you need to get, right? So it is recommended to use this in a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So given that we have this matrix A, this matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So to solve this, okay, we will be using a technique, okay, an easy technique in solving this without getting the permutation at all. Okay, so take note of this process. Okay, so the determinant of this matrix A is equal to product of these. Okay, so that will be A times B. Okay, next minus the product of these elements. Okay, so that will be minus C B. Yeah. So that's the general formula, okay, that you can use when computing a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So let's have an example solving a determinant, okay, using the Leibniz formula of a 2 by 2 matrix. So given we have matrix B here, it is a 2 by 2 matrix, and for us to determine its or for us to solve the determinant of this matrix B, so that will be equal to, okay, remember the pattern, okay, so multiply these elements. So we have 1 times 4. Okay. Next, multiply these elements. This time we will be using subtraction or negative sign here. We will write the negative sign here. So we have 3 times 2. Okay. So evaluate. Okay. So our determinant here will be 1 times 4, that will be 4. Okay. 3 times 2, that will be negative 6. Okay. So simply that is equal to negative 2. So that is how we determine or find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix using the Leibniz formula.